fire, firefight, right? So we call that firefighter. Yeah, he or she is the one who have the big problem that like the building or the house got burned, so they always go to have that one. Okay, and yes, I think that is the last one. Okay, number 7. He or she is like in the criminal, like he take care of, like is the place have the crimes or have something very bad or doing something very bad, so they call to he or she to come and help to solve that problem. Do you know what is that job? Okay, and like yeah, what we call that one? Like if like the thief or go to steal something inside the shop and kill some steal money, steal gold, steal like everything, so we call to who? Yes, we call that police, right? Police officer, or we can say policeman or police woman, but teacher put only police. Okay, police office sir. Okay, everyone, so police officer. So that's it. So everyone, now let's repeat again. Yes, let's check. Teacher say the sentence, everyone will call that job. Okay, the person that always take care of the animal. Yeah, always take care of the animal. That animal sick, like your pet is sick, your pet is feel not well. So where, who you bring to the doctor, you bring to the teacher, you bring to chef, you bring to cleaner. Who you bring to look and to check your pet, everyone? Yes, is the vet, right? Okay, now repeat teacher again. Vet. Again, please. Vet. Very good. Okay, now let's see. The person that sees always, or she or he always clean, clean the place, like she's always clean the bathroom, wipes the floor, mops the floor, okay, or sweep the mirror around the building. So what we call that job, everyone? Guess. She is the chef. She is the vet. No. She is the teacher. No. She or he the doctor? No. Okay. She's a firefighter? No. Police officer? No. What's that? Yeah. Cleaner. Okay, very good. Okay, repeat the again. Cleaner. Okay. Now let's go